Hey cruisers, thanks for joining us today as we announce our next cruise adventure. In true Cruise Tips TV tradition, we like a little suspense and mystery around our announcements. So pull up your Google search bar and we'll drop a few clues for you. First clue, the Duchess of Cambridge named this ship in a ceremony in Southampton on June 13, 2013. Second hint, in February 2019, this ship circumnavigated South America to reposition to Los Angeles and become the first ship in her class to call at a port in the western United States. Did you guess it? That's right, we're cruising on Royal Princess for a 7-night Mexican Riviera sailing to Cabo San Lucas, Puerto Vallarta, and Mazatlan, and we'll be taking you right along with us as we vlog, post live Instagram and Facebook stories, and post updates from this gorgeous 142,000 gross ton Royal class ship. This will be our 10th Princess cruise and our first cruise close to home in the past year and a half. We've loved that our travels have taken us to 9 countries in the past year, from Japan to Singapore and Europe and the Caribbean, but it will be so nice to be returning to the ports that drew us to fall in love with cruising. If you've been following our family for a while, you likely know that Princess is the cruise line we've sailed the most with. So in many ways, Princess feels like home to our family. And because we'll be spending a holiday on the ship, it feels oh so good to know we can unpack, relax, and enjoy 7 nights of stress-free holiday pampering on the high seas, all without having to fly to port. You never know. I might even convince Mr. Cruise Tips TV to abandon our carry-on only ways and pack a few extra pair of shoes for those elegant dinners and evenings in the piazza. So yeah, get ready for some classic traditions from us on this cruise. Tea time, coffee and room service ordered to our Princess luxury bed, and good old movies under the stars are sure to be on the agenda on this relaxing voyage. And since we're cruising over the holidays, we'll share some new traditions too. You'll definitely want to watch our Pack With Me videos for this cruise to see what we pack for the Wear Your Pajamas Stanley the Bear breakfast. This is going to be good, friends. We're talking family pajamas here. Now, for what else makes this cruise so special. First up, we're going to experience and share Princess's Medallion class cruising with all of you. You may have heard of the Ocean Medallion or cruised with this technology yourself, and we'll be taking you along to experience Medallion class cruising firsthand. From unboxing the Medallion itself and getting ocean ready to the Medallion Net Wi-Fi to Ocean Now, we'll be reviewing all that the Medallion class technology is designed to do. We'll take you along with us for the Medallion embarkation process to having a cocktail or even sunscreen and french fries brought to our side just about anywhere on the ship. So, how about the ports? Now, it's our goal to do all new excursions in each port on this cruise, so stay tuned to hear more about what we'll be up to in Cabo, Vallarta, and Mazatlan. There are so many features we're going to explore on this ship that are brand new to us, from the cantilevered sea walk that extends over the edge of the ship to the breathtaking piazza and the watercolor fountain show choreographed to music. There will be so much that's new and exciting for us to experience. And before we go, we have a question for you. Have you been on Royal Princess or a Royal class ship? What were some of your favorite spots and must-do activities on your cruise? Let us know in the comments below so we can learn from your experiences and make the most of our cruise. Until next time, we'll see you on the high seas.